Hi, this is Dr. Arushi Sharma, and today I would like to tell you about teeth whitening, the procedure, and the cost of this treatment. So, first of all, for this treatment, you need to visit your dentist because only after intraoral examination, your dentist will be able to tell you how many sessions will be required and what will be the cost, because first they will examine and then they will see the status of your teeth, how much it is stained, and how many sessions will be required, and depending on that the charges will be explained to you, because they can't tell you until unless they see the condition of the teeth and the level of staining that has happened on your teeth. So first of all, the staining happens because of the colored liquids that we consume, or maybe because of smoking tobacco, or because of the consumption of pan, which stains your teeth. So first of all, before doing the treatment, usually the protocol is the scaling needs to be done. First, they clean the teeth, when the plaque and calculus which accumulates on your teeth. First, that is removed by the procedure called scaling, which is explained in other video that I have made. So first they will clean the teeth, and then once the teeth are cleaned, they will call you for the first session of teeth whitening. In the session of teeth whitening, first they will apply Vaseline on your lips and vitamin E on your lips, so that your lips are protected. And then they might apply Vaseline on the inner surface of your cheeks as well, to protect it from the chemical which is used for teeth whitening. Now, after that, they will place a retractor on your cheeks and the lips to avoid touching of the liquid to the gums and the other oral tissues. So to protect it, they will apply the retractor, and then they will place a rubber dam like structure, like they will apply a rubber dam like liquid which will harden after some time with the help of blue light. So then after the isolation has happened, they will apply the gel, the whitening gel, the bleaching gel on your teeth surfaces, the teeth surfaces that you want to whiten. So they will apply that, and depending on the system of teeth whitening that they are using, they will wait for, like, they will ask you to wait for 15 minutes or maybe like 20 to 25 minutes, and then make sure that you are listening to the music during that time, or keeping yourself entertained during that time. You don't have to move while this is happening, and the dentist will take care of the entire procedure. So when this has happened, you might feel the sensitivity, or you might not feel the sensitivity. Depending on the case, they will decide whether another session is required or not. They will take the pictures, like before the whitening is done, they will take the pictures, and then they will see how much whitening has happened on your teeth after the uh, after the application of the bleaching gel. So once they apply the bleaching gel and it has happened, they will decide whether another session is required or not. And after the teeth whitening is done, the aftercare is really very important. You need to avoid tea, coffee, and other colored liquids for a period of 24 hours. And also, this treatment will last the whitening will last for 6 to 8 months, depending on the aftercare, because it all depends on the aftercare. If you're consuming a lot of tea, coffee, or other stained liquids, like in India we have haldi. We put haldi in all the foods and dishes that we prepare, so haldi stains our teeth a lot, and our teeth become yellow. So if you consume a lot of these liquids, then again the teeth might become yellow. There are many in-home whitening kits available in the market that can be used for maintenance purposes. But for noticeable results, you need to visit your dentist and get the professional teeth whitening done by a dentist. And for the cost, I would like to tell you that it takes, depends on the number of sessions required, the whitening system the dentist is using. So depending on the case as well. So in my clinic, it starts from 2,000 and it goes up to 12,000 depending on the case, type of system which we are using, and also on the number of sessions which are required.